Okay, so that's it. So because it's transparent, you can see what's happening inside the cylinder as the piston is moving up and down. But right now, we have not yet created relationships. So we're going to now, in short order, create relationships. We're going to use as-built joints to create relationships. And the first thing we do, we ground the end rotor and the cylinder components. We ground those two. After grinding the two, and then we create relationships among the components as shown. For instance, the cylinder and piston is a slider relationship. It is a slider. And the location is the top level. The location of that joint is the top level component. The piston pin and the connecting rod. There's a pin inside the piston, and then the small end of the connecting rod. There's a revolute motion, and it's also in the top component, because both of them are contained in the top component. The connecting rod and the crack in the big end of the connecting rod inside the crack, there's a revolute component, which is the revolute 4 in my own list of joints, and it's also in the top location. We are going to see the crank and the end. The crank and the end rotor are going to be in the revolute joint, which is a revolute 1 joint, and it's in the top location. The piston pin and the piston with its pin are in a rigid relationship. And that relationship is inside the piston because both of them are contained inside the piston too. So those are the things we are going to implement. And this video is going to show how that implementation is done. So let us just take a look. I'm going to move it to where that something starts, because there's a repetition of what to be visible and to be transparent, so that we can continue to see what's happening to the